Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to set up Studio 5000 communication with node-red. Look like this. We start. Look, here is variable, it's up. Okay. I use simulation factory logic echo to do this job and use the Studio 5000 version 33. Okay, let's start how to do this job. First I create the one small program. Just the start button is add is variable is increase the one every millisecond. Okay. Now I use factory talk logic echo dashboard is factory talk logic echo. We use Ethernet TCP to communication. Okay. Now we start is the node red. We delete this one. Okay. If you want to do this job, you should go download is node. Go to manage palette. Go to install. Choose AB Ethernet. AB. Okay. ET. Yeah. Ethernet-ip. This is for Allen Bradley. Okay. I download already. You can download this one. Okay. Also, you should download dashboard. Okay. I download the dashboard too. Now we start. We go to PLC. We choose here. This PLC is Allen Bradley PLC. Okay, is isolate AP in, isolate AP out. First one. Okay. So we connect. We choose here is address. Is the address is the simulated address here 10.0.2.15. Okay, 10.0.2.15. Okay, is the tag. We should use this one, this tag. Start. Okay. Start is the bowler. Add. It is a global tag. Okay. Select tag. Start. Okay. Now is output. We still use this one. 1020 10.0.2.15. Okay. Globe is run. It's 10 0 to 15. The slot is 0, okay? Tiger is wrong. Bowler, okay? Now still what's going on? This should, here should be tiger. Okay, that's it. Okay, here is the true. That means it's working. So now we can use dashboard to do this job. Okay, if you want to use dashboard, you have to download dashboard load. First, we still use this one. Is here we choose one. Okay, we can. So we start. Go to here. Go to dashboard. Then go to open dashboard. So we can see here. Now here is false. You can see here. Here is false. Okay, we can see is true here. Now we start testing. Look here. Okay, is readings increase? Yeah, today I'll just show you how to do communication. Still 5,000 with the node rate. Okay, thank you very much.